Right, hello everyone watching. So there's a problem where I'm at here in Ithaca. There are no Mexican restaurants by my count. There are a couple though that pretend to be. There's this place called Dos Amigos that's across from my dorm, which sells expensive burritos, but very good burritos. I've had a sort of habit after taking a prelim or exam to get a burrito from there when I'm done. And this time is no different, except I'm getting a different kind of burrito than I usually get. I usually get the steak burrito, which they call the Lauren Grill steak. However, this time I'm getting the Ginuswine burrito, which contains pork. Now, for anyone wondering what kind of animal died on my head, I know I do need a haircut, but I'll get it eventually, maybe over spring break, which is in a couple weeks at this point. So, me get it out of the bag. Let me show it to you. It's kind of hard to hold the camera at the same time. Give me a minute. Okay, this is it. Not very good at this, I guess. I'm gonna try again. Okay, this is it. For reference, this is a can of Diet Coke. So it is a very large burrito for the money. I paid $15.11 for this, which, with, inflation, it is what it is. Now, I usually don't do this, but for the people watching this video, I will split it in half to show you the contents inside. I forgot to bring napkins for this review, but that's the sort of danger, the sort of risk we take, making these videos at our team here. Okay. This is it. I'm gonna try to point out some of the ingredients. This is the, burrito wrapping, also known as a tortilla. Hold up. Maybe I should buy a new camera. Alright. There are fries in here, which is considered a sort of Californian way to make burritos. This is the pork, which reminds me of carnitas, but these aren't real Mexicans making the product, so who knows what it is. We have the sour cream, another sign it's a Californian style burrito, and that, I don't know if you can see it that well, but the sort of yellow orange stuff, like this, that's the hot sauce of the burrito. All right. I'm recording this on an iPad, if you're wondering. Alright. So, it looks good and everything, but how is it really? I'll take a couple bites and tell you what I think. I'm very pleased with this burrito. It's very nice. The sauce could be a little spicier, but well, this restaurant serves to college students. They can't handle the heat. One ingredient I forgot to point out was the cilantro, which does add a nice a nice citrus-like flavor to it, and it also has some sort of cheese on it. One, it has a nice it has a nice savory but salty taste to it. The savory from the meat and the salt from the French fries. It has a nice sweetness to it that makes it taste real nice. A minor complaint really is that the cream cheese is sort of all to one side, so you get some bites with none at all, and some bites with only cream cheese, which slightly detracts from the experience, but not much. Maybe 0.2 deduction from the final score. But overall, it's a real good burrito. I'd say it's just as good as the steak burrito that I've had from there. So, out of 10, I'm gonna have to give this a 8.9 out of 10. Now, I should mention that this review was perhaps not gonna happen because of my roommate's sleeping schedule. He sleeps so late that you can't really predict when he's gonna be asleep. I think 2 days ago he went to sleep at 2 p.m. and just yesterday he went to sleep at 7 p.m. Now some people might think he sleeps real early, but that's actually him sleeping really late. So yeah, his sleeping schedule's real messed up. But well, I guess that's it for the review.